Alright guys, welcome back to Quad Nation. This is unlike anything you'll have ever seen before. I know people have put crazy things on their tires before, but the paint hack, oh, that's a whole nother beast. Alright, let's do this. This is how you get colorful, any color you want, depending on the paint. Super awesome billowing tire smoke when you conduct a burnout. Here we go. Make sure it's a neutral and free roll the tire. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up soon, guys. A DS450's coming to the channel. We're gonna put it up against Megatron, the CRF250. It's gonna be epic, guys. It's gonna be epic. You want to stay tuned. And we got a YZ coming to the channel. If you want one color, leave it there. If you want both, because this is going to be your standard, of course, gray smoke. But if you want green and gray, leave it like this. But we want more green. Oh, this is going to be epic, guys. And if you're saying, oh no, the tires are so expensive, he's just ruining all that money. Nope. Get in touch with the White House. They give handouts. Everything nowadays is free. All right, here we go, guys. That one looks a little bit more grinchy. Let's add a little bit more here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. This is going to be epic. Oh, guys. Oh, man. I don't even know what to think right now. This is insane. Here we go. This is another one for the record books by Quad Nation. First, the food coloring in a two-stroke. Now, the paint tire hack. Smoke!